We are done with the base of the cap. So the next thing we'll be working with will be the structure design on it. Okay. So guys, for the structure design, I have my Yori fabric or Obebi, and use any petals of your choice. Okay. This is my UHU gum. I have my art wire bias I'll use to cover up the art wire. Then a structured detail. This thing is very simple. I just cut out just little fabric from the cap that I made. Then I wrap it on crinoline. This is sewable one. Sewable crinoline. I just wrap it up with it. Okay. That's how I achieve this. You can as well use these trimmings to wrap it. So now let's get started. The first thing I'll do is to wrap up the art wire with my bias tape. Go ahead, bending, you just go ahead and cut out the measurement you needed. So I feel this is the size I want. So I didn't measure it, I was just concentrating on the circle that I needed. Okay, the size of the circle that I needed. So you go ahead and measure according to the circle you need. Okay, this is exactly what I want. Okay, then I'll go ahead and join it together with my thread. So guys, the next thing I'll do is to wrap this bias tape on the art wire. So I'll just go ahead and open it up like so. Then I'll apply my UHU gum on it. Okay, this one is UHN, not UH. Just want to close it. Okay. Then I will apply it on it like so. The way it's wrapped, just want to make sure I seal it up. I guess this is the easiest way to wrap this. So guys, I've covered it up with the bias tape. The next thing I'll do, I'll get my fabric here. So I'll go ahead and wrap it up with this fabric. So you can see how, if you want it to be straight, just go ahead and tie it. But if you want it to be a bit slanted, just make it tight. By the time you tighten it, it will curve. Okay, you can see. Just I don't want it to be much curved, just a little bit curved. Okay. Then with my thread, I'll go ahead and tighten it, secure it very well. Make sure you secure it very well. So guys, I've folded it on this. That's why you can see. The next thing I is to join this together. I've already joined it with my hand needle and thread. So I'll be placing it on this design. I will not be putting it directly on this point where I gather the whole fabric. I'll just shift it a bit and see that it will stay somewhere like this, because it can't stay here. If I put it here, it will be rough. So I will use my needle and thread and tack it here. Then I will use my petals to cover it up like so before I will attach it to the cap. I'll go ahead and fix it directly to this frame here. So I'll go ahead and tack it until it's firm.